Hello, everyone. My name is Afrika-AFENI-MILLS, and on May 4th, 2023, I will be with you for the third and final workshop in the Kids, Books, and Anti-Racism series. The session is called Using Picture Books to Center Humanity and Connect Across Differences. And can I tell you, I am so excited about being able to spend that time with you because we're going to really just be able to lean into the joy of discovering who we are, supporting our students to discover who they are, and to really use picture books as a way of embracing the approach to literacy that was started with Emily Stiles and continued by Rudine Sims Bishop about windows and mirrors, and it's going to be a wonderful time. So I look forward to seeing you that day, and be well and see you soon.